So it is a bit noisy around here, around the house, doing our chores, but I have new recording software. Hopefully, it's much higher quality. So I'm just gonna do like a pretend video, I guess. So let's say that. Oh no, that is the wrong tool here. So let's pretend I have math, and then I don't even know what number we're on. The date is February 25th, 2013, blah blah blah. Let's, I don't know, let's do some circle system of equations. Circular systems of equations. And the program I am using is called iShowUHD. $29.95 at Shiny White Box, the producers of this. They produce pretty good. And the mic I have right now is a mic I've already had for a while, but when I got it, it was fairly expensive, almost $100. It's called the Snowball mic, and it's a fairly good mic for amateur video makers like me. This software that I'm using, the drawing software itself, is still free. It's Sketchbook Express, not Sketchbook Pro. Although Sketchbook Pro is on sale right now, so if I wanted to, I could get the full version, but I don't need to, because these tutorials are the most of why I'm even going to use this system in the first place. So, and the tablet I'm using is $200, so yeah, fairly expensive loadout here, but let's try a sample problem. So let's say I have x squared plus y squared equals 2, and then I have y equals x minus 2, and I want to solve this system of equations. Well, you know that for this equation right here, the radius is going to, well, first of all, it's going to be centered at the origin with the radius of square root of 2. That doesn't really help us much to solve it graphically. It might coincide with this linear equation right here, but we need to do some algebra to confirm that. So why not substitute this into this y right here? So that's exactly what we're going to do. X squared plus x minus 2 for y equals 2. All I did was I substituted x minus 2, which is equal to y, into this y equation. So now let's do some foiling. X squared plus x squared minus 4x plus 4. If you don't believe me, do it yourself. Equals 2. Now 2x squared terms, let's just combine them. So it's 2x squared minus 4x. Let's bring this 2 over to this hand side. So it's 2x squared minus 4x minus 2 equals 0. Change colors because it's kind of boring. Let's divide everything by 2. So x squared minus 2x minus 1, 0 over 2 is still equal to 0. And this seems like something we can factor. And actually, it's going to come out to be a perfect square. It's going to be x minus 1. Oh, I deeply apologize. This is a plus, Oof, big mistake. Don't do that. So it's x minus 1 times x minus 1 equals 0 if you factor that. And then this is just the same thing as x minus 1 squared equals 0, but we don't need to concern ourselves with that. So we have x minus 1 equals 0. We don't need to write it out twice. And so we solve for x. X is equal to 1 for this system of equations. So if we plug 1 back into this equation, we get y equals 1 minus 2. So y would equal negative 1. And x is 1, y is negative 1, then we have our final solution here. The solution to this circle linear system of equations is going to be 1, negative 1. And that was actually question 4 on your test. Cool. Let me know what you think about this new software. I personally like it very much.